Good morning and welcome back to This Is How You Make It with John David Berdahl.
Yes.
Bianca and I have been working hard in the break. Mostly I was cleaning paint off myself, but
I was kind of saving the day a little bit on
there
mine.
you go.
I got a little red moment.
Yeah, I'm still vibing with the purple sludge over here, but that's okay because art is subjective and it's going to be beautiful once I add in the cheese for my lasagna.
See, and isn't that, yes, we were making that sort of analogy since it's national, right? National Lasagna Day or something like that, that comparison, right? And so what I had said was basically the canvas is the dish, okay, or the pan that we're making lasagna.
The lasagna is the pan. That's where it came
what we've
from.
learned.
That's what we learned today.
This is amazing. I didn't even have to pay for that piece of knowledge, that nugget.
You're welcome.
That nugget of lasagna, the factoid. Anyway, so yeah, basically that's the sort of dish was the canvas itself, and then blue was the first layer, and then red is our sort of sauce or whatever, and the yellow is going to be our cheese.
Yes.
Right, and texture, impasto. Remember I said that? Nice thick paint. And you can see that on this piece right here. I mean, not at home immediately, but right here you can see how thick.
Oh,
and on yours too. Yours
I
got
did
nice
get
and
some
thick.
chunks.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, I got chunks.
Definitely.
None of mine dried, so if you turn it to the side, you can see that sheen with the
you see
ridges
the
right there. Oh yeah, that camera's picking it up.
yes.
That's some good texture.
Yeah,
It
there
is.
we
It looks
go.
pretty.
See, yeah, and so that's what this is all about. It's just expressing so much,
like that.
conveying so much, you know, in a sort of abstract, as it's a non-represent.
Sorry, I'm hypnotizing myself.
She was really.
I'm talking, and she's not even listening. You
I
invite
was
me,
listening. I was listening.
you
I
invite
get
me on the
too
show, and you don't even
focused
listen.
on the art. Okay, sorry,
This is
continue.
crud.
I have yellow.
Oh,
What
all
am
right.
I doing
She's
with
very
it?
excited. She's very excited for the yellow. I saw
That's
you.
good. So yeah, make it nice and thick. The yellow,
Okay.
nice and thick. That's how it's going to get through. Because
Smaller brush,
often-
is that okay?
Sure, yes, that's okay, but nice and
nervous.
thick, nice and thick, and then a quick sort of, as I said, blast. Right,
Oh,
with brush.
mine is yellow.
There we go. There we go.
Yay.
Absolutely. You can
Started
hold that up in a
yellow.
moment. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. And
Okay.
so you're working kind of wet on wet. Yeah, and make it sort of asymmetrical too. Not exactly as a flower. I'm not just ordering you around, but the whole point of this piece is that it's so sort of, I guess, not dysregular
Visceral?
or something. What was that?
Visceral?
Yeah, sure. Let's go with that one. Visceral. You know, but not as perhaps coordinated or as planned as some art pieces could be. You know, very spontaneous.
Yeah.
You know, and so that's what really works about this piece. And there we go. Nice bit of red there, and then let me kind of zag like that, and then over. All right, I'll hold this up, what I just did.
And what
So
do you
there's some
think
red
art
right there.
does for children? You work a lot with children. What do you think art does for children? Just getting out there and
Oh my
putting their
gosh!
art
Yeah,
forward.
the feedback I get from kids is that this is so much more fun than I thought it would be. You know, what I do, and I guess that's a pat on the back or something like that,
Yeah.
because I really show up and I don't just try and teach. I don't seek to teach like what painting.
Yeah.
I seek to teach creativity.
Truth.
You know.
Yeah.
Yes, and
I
to be
feel that a lot.
creative. You know, there are so many like what is it? John Cleese said, intermediate impossibles that you run into. All of these steps that you didn't even know you were supposed to, know perhaps, and it looks like it's all over. You know, you were talking about this is a muddy mess or something like that, or I don't know what I'm doing, and then all of a sudden it just kind of clicks.
Yeah.
You know, and it's really great, and it's like, oh my gosh, I've evoked something.
Yeah.
Right? I've made something.
And trying something new too.
Yes.
Getting out there, putting yourself out there to be judged even, but
Yes.
but still understanding that at the end of the day it's something that you created and
Yes.
that matters.
Yes, that's certainly, absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yay.
You ought to take over for me. I'll just wait out in the
No,
car.
you're doing great. How would I know what to do without JDB?
Okay. How do I live without you?
Okay, I'm proud of
Ooh,
mine.
maybe you and David should
Yeah, we
switch
were talking
spots on
about
the
that.
show.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
I'm proud of mine. Tatum, look at mine.
That looks really good.
Yeah, I
This
feel
is
proud.
Oh,
great.
your colors look awesome.
Yay! This is the best I've ever done, so I'm very excited.
Yes,
Mine's
really good. And so yeah, often
something.
painters work from light to dark and not dark to light, and that's why
John's
this is
looks
kind of
good.
oh good. Okay, yeah. so
They work from light to dark?
yeah, light to dark.
Oh, I didn't know
because
that.
because if you work dark to light, especially with some of these sort of acrylic paints and whatnot, watercolor too, it can be difficult to cover up or
Oh, of course, that makes
because basically
sense.
you're removing light when you paint when you work with
Interesting.
pigments.
Yeah.
And so you're subtracting. You're mesmerized again, aren't you?
Yes, she is.
I'm going on, and you're not even.
I'm listening. I got
No, I
you.
am listening
Oh, thanks.
about the light to dark
Sure
with
you are.
acrylic paint.
Sure you are.
I could repeat it all.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay, so we have about a minute left.
Yep.
Is this the part when you would wait for it to dry and take off the tape?
Yeah, and so you could take it off now.
Oh,
yeah,
I
so I
want to do
taped
that.
around the edges and whatnot. I'm just going to add, since I put some yellow and some red, I'm going to add some blue, some areas. But go ahead and take off your. Oh, yeah.
I like that you
There
taped
Yeah,
it.
nice
This
and
is
It's very
satisfying.
Yes,
crisp.
good.
Yeah.
And so I just utilized masking tape, and masking tape sometimes can be a bit stickier, or it'll adhere a bit more than perhaps you thought it would. you know? And so, yeah, there we go. Nice little clean border right there, clean line, you know? Yeah, definitely. And so what I did.
So fun. I like this one.
So what I did was I measured sort of the length like that, and then I just took the tape and put it on the pants like that, and then I put it on. So it would really pull off nicely.
I like that, yeah.
Yeah, very nicely.
Smart.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Oh,
great.
yours is cute.
You
That's
mean
great.
it?
Yeah, I actually do.
Yay!
Yeah, I do.
It's
the
very
first one.
muddled, but
You're
that's all
always
right.
with the blue.
I do love the blue.
Mine's kind of matching my outfit, which I like.
Oh, it very much
Just a little
is.
yellow moment, you know.
I love this. Okay, well, John, you need to finally reveal yours before we get out of here.
All right.
The big D
There we go.
taping.
Okay, there we are. There's
Gorgeous.
that. Yeah, thank you. Sticking.
Oh yes, this is a work of art.
Yes.
I might
It ought
want
to
this
be.
one framed.
Okay. There we go. And we'll
said
pull off that
okay.
side. Ooh. There we go. Okay.
Wow.
All right, dun
Yay.
da da da.
So you can really see the border on mine. The one I made.
Beautiful.
Yeah, because I went all the way to the edge and over.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this.
Yep, so it kind of frames itself. It's got its own sort of natural frame that way.
Yes.
Well,
Yep.
thank you so much for coming on
Thank
today.
you. Loved it.
And again, you can follow all of John's segments with us by going to our website, valleynewslive.com, clicking the North Dakota Today tab, and then searching John David Berdahl.
Yes.
Yep, and I'll be at West Acres today, 3 to 8.
Woohoo!
Yes,
Yeah.
working on
See
this.
him
Working on
live.
this.
Go visit him and get your hands dirty with some paint, but don't go anywhere quite yet. Bianca and I will be right back with your daily dose of motivation.